Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your carrier supports tethering and you have data remaining. This prevents sudden cuts. Next, open settings and enable personal hotspot. Set an identifiable SSID and a strong password so others cannot join. Once done, check battery level and cellular bars. Low power or no signal often blocks connections. If radios look stuck, toggle airplane mode briefly to force a hardware reset, then proceed to connect your client device. You now focus on how devices join and why each method matters. Configure hotspot security to WPA2 or WPA3 and select 5 GHz for higher throughput when possible because it reduces interference. Then connect a client. Wi-Fi is easy, Bluetooth saves power, and USB gives the most stable link. Use it for large transfers. If the client shows limited connectivity or no internet, renew DHCP or assign a static IP to resolve conflicts, and make sure hotspot data limits aren't reached. Finish by optimizing and checking edge cases. Monitor data usage and manually disconnect idle clients to keep speeds and battery life up. Make sure to test speeds and reload a web page to confirm throughput. Slow pages indicate backhaul issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt caches and saved profiles, because that often fixes stubborn misconfigurations. One key troubleshooting tip: swap SIMs or contact your carrier to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.